Good morning, students. Now we are going to see about the cloud service providers. What are the cloud service providers available in the cloud computing? Cloud service provider. In this presentation, we are going to see about introduction, type of cloud providers, cloud provider examples, benefits of using a cloud service provider, challenges of using a cloud service provider, and how to choose a cloud service provider, and then conclusion. Definition of cloud service provider, CSP. A CSP is a third-party company that provides scalable computing resources accessible over a network, including cloud-based compute, storage, platform, and application services. So a cloud service provider is a third-party company. It provides scalable computing resources over a network. The importance of cloud computing. Cloud computing accelerates digital transformation and innovation by offering flexibility, scalability, resiliency, and security without the constraints of physical servers or in-house data centers. Providers, IaaS providers. Infrastructure as a service provider access to IT infrastructure components such as compute, network, storage, and operating systems. Customers manage their applications. PaaS providers. Platform as a service providers builds on IaaS, offering tools and services for application creation and deployment. It includes operating system, middleware, and runtime environments. Software as a service providers. Software as a service delivers ready-to-use applications, managing everything from hardware to development, and scaling examples include Gmail and Google Documents. Cloud service provider examples. So what are the cloud service providers are available in the real world? Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, IBM Cloud, Alibaba Cloud, Oracle Cloud, Red Hat OpenShift, DigitalOcean, and Rackspace. So these are the currently available cloud service provider in real world. Benefits: business agility, reduced cost and scalability, reliability, centralized location, future-proof systems, improved mobility, and disaster recovery. These are the benefits for cloud service providers. Challenges. The challenges for the cloud service providers is complex contracts. The contracts must be a simple, not a complex one, and vendor lock-in, security responsibility. These are the challenges for cloud service provider. And how to choosing a cloud service provider. Cost consideration is a prime factor for choosing a cloud service provider. Digital capabilities and processes, trust and reputation, open ecosystem security practices. So these are the components for choosing a cloud service providers. Conclusion. Cloud service provider offer a range of services. Consider based upon your organization unique needs, you can choose a service provider. The three main critical factors is trust, cost, and security. Thank you.